and the New Patriotic Party, modern a demonstration, almost democracy under attack under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama's presidency. Now they are saying, sir, what should daddy who be a dear share judge for the moi? Sabri, a judge for the woman to me and Siomubu and you would you may or more edume. The Santino, what much it time for the bra, all the Okojas and Libyan, no. Some crofoni a idea switching, yet more. And again, they also say, the bail conditions are a year to a month for Tiswa. Bra almost say, why year or minor bony bino. So, bail conditioning a more rem and other issues. I believe you've heard. What would you how would you respond to a year demonstration of year, considering the numbers appear here, any and somewhat what would die on my money now?
Prof. Medasi, say, Wamami Akwenya, say, entity for keep faith exercise or Mukoye and Nino. What me after me, say, man, I'm assuming that's a deal. And then you and then get demonstration, you know, again. You say, the more excellent to happen, and it is also a dancing competition. They will share videos about the minority leader, the Honorable Alexander Fayamaki, and a former minority leader. Okay, they are not almost outside the power demonstration. Now, share immediate sem, ne address sem, Omoya air secretary. No credit say, now, so I say, it's the opposition idea a factor na ebe fire pa say on better watch. Number one, Prof. In so ni for demonstration because almost the democracy and attack. The say, what the talk of the Casamua. Ghana Kadima mean said ya for several years. And then the government of President John before person of the now, so the two and the you will come to the inevitable conclusion say, in your papa be any after more mokeni. Prof. Kadimani can be the government of the people by the people and for the people. What's our dream? What's your margin? The Edona Cano and my Tonye. A memoir, Obia Timitra Nagin, is the Diana. A memoir, Obia, what a question. Or didn't you yet at the Sudan? And a fire, a memoir, it is founded on the rule of law. Sagana Mano, every year Juma. Now, treating all persons equally before the law. But in democracy, there are four forums.
This is SOMPA.
Again, will be one or to be educated. So, Prof. Now we are hosting, and now we are producing. So, this is what the laws of this country is no avenue or forum. For you to air your grievances. Prof. Number one, ASM overture a public statement. I press it on this pleasure on any issue. Prof. Maybe you might not have anybody been prevented from writing any press statement.
No.
That's so I'm Number two, one of the forums that ultimately expressing grievances over a press conference. Mr. Wu, yes, you'll be able to find someone in a press conference.
Baby.
In fact, yesterday, the MPP, a press conference, people are a press conference, I know more check why I'm a demonstration. Obia no a osi of fine. Number three, one of the avenues for foreign Put the minute when you are not comfortable, you should start over your community engagement. Has anybody been prevented from having community engagement? No. One of the forms of approach, put the minute over your press conference, that's a job for what only on Makata. Have they been prevented? No. Finally, one of the avenues Ghana, Omoye, our final defense. Over the court of law. Has anybody been prevented from going to the court of law? I'll answer for you. No. Demonstration they are concerned. And then police force over 1,000 demonstrators less than 800 or more. One, bueno, Enyabia, and the boy, Ghana, Libya, exactly 1 year, 8 fallen heroes of our country. Omoshiro Munkwan, Omani na Esu, Omani na Eche Yadoa, Yesu Omo. It's from a major political party in opposition to demonstrate this level of insensitivity and lack of respect for the emotional sensibilities of the people of Ghana, to go and hold a press conference and do a demonstration without any basis. I think that it is the height of the respect to the people of Ghana. I also Ghana saying now, Emmanuel and Kaida say, and now, Yenina Yesu, Yeniano Mebiano. Before, have no respect for the sensibilities of the people of Ghana, and they are going to organize this demonstration. Now, Prof.
Yes.
Let me put this issue across, and then video be ending on social media. The presidency, Escoman, and now you have or your presidential staffer, or your synonymous to a minister of state, to respectfully take the petition from the minority to be a demonstration. The respected minority leader, the Honorable Afenyo Martin, this is an appointee of the president to president Councilman of the petition. Afenyo Martin said, "Oh, for petition name and because Mameno SOMPA. Odi obuoni ni the area the Mameno. Na Mameno no BI or say, or no money as someone. And this is a presidential staffer or yet synonymous to a minister. I think it is the height of disrespect to the office of the president. It is the height of disrespect to the office of government machinery. Now, after the market, make an because MPP got the Akuyan 8 years. The government of President Kufuor didn't find you valuable so the fact in 8 years of the MPP government. How come Simun Nanya ministry appointment? And so they are for the market, they are money ministry appointment. And so if in 8 years of your regime, the president did not find you valuable and worthy enough to appoint you as a minister. Now, Bible from I appoint you to be as a presidential secretary, synonymous to a minister. The least you can do is to show reverence and respect to the woman and the office of the president. And I think the people of Ghana should call Afenyo Martin order and show himself the level of arrogance and impunity that they have demonstrated today is what will continue to keep them in opposition. We are not happy about it, and I'm urging all MPP, Council of Elders, and MPP stakeholders and the rank end of the party to call Afenyo Martin out and criticize him for the show of disrespect to the party, to the people of Ghana, and the office of the president. Now, we are Penny say, if Penny Force would be mathematics. Now, we are Penny, I should make a fair part now. Fair or public poster will demonstrate sobriety, will demonstrate appropriation, will demonstrate a way of tolerance Now, who any day, Ghana for you cannot have a minority leader. Also, Obuo has no respect for the structures of this country, has no respect for anybody. And I don't think the people of Ghana will want such people to occupy any position in this country. So you in the media, Prof, I'm urging you to call Asanyo Market out and urge him to apologize to Madam Nana Adamswa and apologize to the presidency as well.
All right, very well. But the key things they raised that freedom of expression is being curtailed under your government. And again, they also say, court proceedings via yedim penyimfo bi biense bi akwakọ gina emranim enim se emrano ehwe se o mai bone a yatwe o maso no ye nyina enim se court na nkasa no o mo legal vacation a wo mo kọ busumi mienu but the chief justice no direct say sa cases re de ajagefo a wo mo hwe edi sa case ne de mo mo nkọ and so wo mo hu ne say politically no there is an influence from executive on the judiciary. Well, how about that? Those two too.
First of all, there is no basis for dying. Freedom of speech has been hampered under John Dramani Mahama. They are the same people that when they were in government, people that express their views, this is a stadium, lawyers, and before in fact, on the back of the car, you look at TV. Appear said you want to look at TV. If at the time they were in government, they saw the need to arrest people whom they claimed had committed, errors, had flouted the laws of this country. And even then, Obia could not simply so ask the camera expecting the life of the president.
But Dr. Sabaye, I remember, sir, your man penyin dada His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Oko aya channel, France channel, Bisu 24. He granted an interview there, and you bisa say, and you biaro executive no influence. The judiciary then no. I want you to wait. I want you to take a listen to the interview once again, for the benefit of our listeners to comprehend what discussion that we're having over here. So take a listen to what the former president said.
Right. Are you concerned about protest movements? We've seen a lot of protests. Some activists were arrested, put in jail. The opposition is saying they're trying to stifle dissent.
I'm not responsible for jailing people in Ghana. The courts in Ghana are independent institutions, and they have been all through this period of the Fourth Republic. People misconduct themselves and they're brought before court. It's for the court to deal with them. That's not a matter.
It has nothing to do about politics.
It has nothing to do with the executive. And their behavior is what lands them in problem with the police and with the courts. It's not the protests. How can the president, who himself, his political career was aided by leading protests, have problems with protests? I don't have problems with protests. And nothing is done in Ghana to prevent people from airing their views on anything.
Until Dr. Samiaye, what a man opinion that or say sabre dear. Na enya dia executive no influence bia the judiciary no, so the judiciary then acted independently. What's your response?
Now the judiciary acted independently is the reason why the judiciary is currently not independent at the in Soviet, no sense to what they are saying. In fact, they talk about the wound to me.
SOMPA.
Madam said the Atamaklo issue. Two of the judges that matter were appointed by President Kufuor. In that time, the judiciary was so independent, and the Kufuor appointed them. What is the basis for anybody to say that and now the same judges are still not independent? There is no basis for it. In your Soviet, what they are here. In some of Mokano, a Mogu, one of those opposition, someone, Obi control opposition, now, Nenusu Brina, Onim the Oka. Now, Wababijina, in terms of the legal vacation issue, this is not the first time I caught a court application. The Chief Justice, can say, because of some things, some of the judges stay behind. It means on several occasions, more than Ghana. Then Justice, can say 12 high court to sit during the vacation. Under the MPP, the judiciary was so independent that the Chief Justice at the time actually arranged for high court in Ghana to sit during the legal vacation. Even the same high court are sitting during the legal vacation. What's the problem with it? At the MPP, high court can sit during the legal vacation, but under the NDC, high court cannot sit during the legal vacation. And before we say somebody department, no more price of baby. But then and then this is the own price of baby. First of all, the forcing trial. The Court of Appeal under the Kufa the Ibu. The case continued under the legal vacation. During the legal vacation, the process did not end. He was still going to court during the legal vacation. It is the same as many other cases in this country, just like I'm saying to you. It's what is good for the goose is also good for the gander. Even under the MPP during legal vacation, cases were still being adjudicated. Under the NDC, the judiciary is still independent and they will continue to do what they are supposed to do. They have a singular memory. The current Chief Justice has been in the system and the Kufuado. She was even appointed and a president. What they are saying, it is really every before the Ninasobi and Yasmamukadi. Just move. Now, everybody at the time, that demonstration is a fundraising demonstration. Now, be money, just before put your money, it is a bomb. I organize it, Eddie, I put this cap. Said the mayor, on being just a couple of higher place. That is what the stuff and nothing more. We need to know how we do on this matter.
So, you feel that demonstration of Neno, any idea, the minds of Ghanaians.
They know the strength of the FPP. They know someone on that club now for almost say Ghana to Cassam near Nemapoto. In fact, under the MPP, grantee will be delivery Afoko. Okay. For Afoko, what grantee the base. MPP before the need to move for several years about grantee the base. It's the whole court will return to be done after over 8 years. I know they want to catch a whole year. That was not a part of the democracy under your watch. But the new government comes. Suddenly, when your brainwave, suddenly, when your epiphany, suddenly, there is need for us to protect our democracy. We have to be body to show up a in Kasobuku, coming call. I understand the position they find themselves in, but the people of Ghana can see through the lens very much. Normal antics. Before over the Ghana program, Namia Yomoso, Namia from home to power, be almost a video, pure politics.
The NPP is very confident of 2028 elections by winning. How do you respond to that one, too?
Before. Oh, sir, as for wishes there, but before say, and I family, I think his wishes were hot. All of us were right. Sometimes we got no opportunity. Now, when you should Bruna, I bind the banner, because what opposition, you know, one, now, Okokeka, who boom, can be a bedroom of party, and one corner in the eyes of the people of Ghana. But that is not the case. Ghana need to answer. Business community, how the state economy has clearly impacted their lives. how the people of Ghana are benefiting from major social intervention programs and social intervention policies. The Mahama Cares, the Big Push Project, the National Apprenticeship Program, the Jubilee Program, the No Fee Stress, National Free Sanitary Park Program. The Mahama launched many projects are ECOSWA. It is happening. Some of them have happened within the last 18 months of a new administration. Ghana for name with the north. This government is an efficient government. Certainly, they will not be interested in anything that will come from the MPP. So really, they can wish 2028 to make me about. But as I sit here, I know clearly within my mind based on the work we are doing, I am very confident that the people of Ghana will give us a chance.
Now, and interfaith church service, of course, or UPSC, don't you quite say?
Unfortunately, Nigeria quite here. Now, Jubilee at the but I was monitoring on Facebook and Twitter and other platforms of streaming live. I joined virtually, but I was not there in person.
All right. What do you make of the ceremony?
Well, I think that it is a very important ceremony. Abino Aya, Yabeka, Kayini, respected statement like the Honorable Dr. Ibn Manebuama, the Honorable Dr. Musa, no, Minister. It is a good opportunity for all of us to remember who they were, how they were serving their country. Now, it is a wake-up call for all of us. Oye, Omaya, and was said, Otre, Odo, Emma, Unia, Nipadi, yes, people are saying. I said, 2 weeks before the incident, the Honorable Dr. Manefuama, a government accountability, a program that is under the auspices of the Honorable Felix Kwaturi. Meaning the deal, come 2 weeks time, and I incident with the baby, I'm the car, I wanted to party. But we are like the and now what's not to do. You're very ready. Your baby call. And then they are then I said, and before have no respect for the sensibility of this country. Omakoye are privileged to take the airways and take the attention of media houses from focusing on this tragic event that
But with that, you know, who say the General Secretary of the party issued a statement representing what the MPP feels about the falling heroes or what are Ghana. There was a
statement. It was an absolute. And then over a demonstration. Did they observe 1 minute silence for the falling heroes?
The men who be
exactly. They don't care about it. They have no respect for the sensibility of the country. They cannot touch the pulse of the nation. And that's exactly what they are doing. And the opposition party now prepare to put dollar. Is that how you conduct yourself? No. Really. And you must not find ourselves. And then we have the policy. Sometimes you look at the mood of the nation. Not why they never do. I'm very disappointed in this situation for this demonstration. Forget about the fact that it was completely a demonstration.
Dr. Samuel, you better was but some next week, you know, you better on Safro that what if you had that, you know what I say, what a wish you were white. Okay. Dr. Samuel, opening Pebia, the communications directorate of the presidency, and I'll say, no, Eddie and Komodo.